number 2 down here. Go ahead, sweetie.
Jake set up a study schedule. The plan called for him to study 1/4 hour, 5/8 hour, and 1 hour on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday in that order. If he continues with this pattern, how long will he study on Friday?
Okay, good. So first of all, if we're critical readers, circle your numbers. Remember to circle your numbers. We have 3 fractions. Actually, we have 2 fractions and a whole number, but we have 3 numbers, right, that we're circling. This one is connected to the idea of Monday. This one is connected to Tuesday, and this one's connected to Wednesday. And we're asked about Friday. So think about how that pattern would look to connect it with Friday, okay? The first thing that I want you to do, guys, is let's come over to the side and let's write down those fractions connected to the days. So I'm going to just kind of write the days of the week. I'm going to put an R there to show that that is Thursday. We know that on Monday, she's supposed to study 1/4 hour. On Tuesday, we're looking at 5/8. On Wednesday, we're looking at 1 hour. We need to figure out Thursday in order to figure out Friday. And Friday is actually the answer to the question, isn't it? So I'm going to circle that one. But obviously, we're going to have to extend the pattern to figure out what Friday will be. Well, the first thing that you'll want to do with this, guys, is, again, think of a common denominator. We want to think of a common denominator first, because by doing that, we can see really clearly what the pattern rule will be and extend it. So if I have a denominator of 4 and 8, we already saw this in a previous question, what should our common denominator be? If I skip count by 8 and stop when I get to something that's also a multiple of 4, I don't have to go very far, do I? Camille, what will it be? 8. Yeah. So let's come down here and let's just make those equivalent fractions. Well, this one is already there. We're at 5/8. So Tuesday, 5/8. What is 1/4 as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 8? What will that be? 2, exactly. So there's Monday. What about Wednesday? If I make a fraction of 1 with a denominator of 8, what will it be? 8/8. Good. And by doing this, we can see the pattern that's happening with our numerators, can't we? Okay. We're going to be continuing the pattern. What do you notice that happens here that also happens here? What's our pattern rule? Tucker? Yeah, I add by what? 2 plus what gets me to 5? That's the same thing that goes 5 plus what gets me to 8? 3, yeah. So we've added 3 between Monday and Tuesday. We've added 3 between Tuesday and Wednesday. Now we're going to add 3 to get to Thursday, and then we'll do the same thing to get to Friday, won't we? Okay. I know that my denominator is going to stay 8. So who can tell me what will my new numerator be for Thursday? 11. Yep. And Friday?
14.
Excellent. Yeah. Okay, good. So those are the values for Thursday and the value for Friday. Now, I even underlined the word Friday to tell me what my target was. I don't need to report what Thursday is. I need to report what Friday is, right? Now, Friday, right now, I've got an answer that's on the target, but it's not at the bullseye. We need to simplify it, don't we? Okay. I'm looking at an improper fraction here. Let me scooch this up a little bit. I'm looking at an improper fraction here. If I have 14/8, I need to turn this into a mixed number. Everybody, how many times will 8 go into 14? Once. What's my remainder? 6. And my denominator stays the same. All right, I've got 1 and 6/8. I'm closer to the bullseye, but I'm still not at the bullseye, right? Because 6/8 can also be reduced. What will it be reduced to? Exactly. 1 3/4. So the last thing that we need to do, boys and girls, is we need to write a sentence here that just quickly says, on Friday, he'll study 1 3/4 hours. That's a restate and an answer. It just gives context. If my question has words, my answer should have words.